Hi there. This is a little different. I hope everyone is staying safe in these strange and different times. But we wanted to do something different today because we can't be driving other people's cars during COVID lockdown. I have a smelly RAV4. This SUV has been owned by dog owners for the last 17 years. Two very lovely pups grew up in here, and thus, some things were chewed and it's a little stinky. Instead of being like a normal person and steam cleaning the seats, actually cleaning the vehicle, to get rid of the dog smell, I'm thinking of cooking a nice pasta dish. We're living in unprecedented times, so we might as well do some unprecedented stuff. Now, when I do inevitably sell this car, the new owner is gonna be like, why are there chopped onions in here? Now this is really relaxing, cooking out sort of in the wild, minus the person ripping around on their dirt bike. However, I think it adds a little bit of pizzazz. Someone's having fun.
Looks like you're gonna throw that at him.
Thought about it.
For my in-car penne alla Boscaiola, get parsley, onion, grape tomatoes, pasta, grab some thyme, prosciutto, white wine, mushrooms, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, chicken stock.
Chicken.
Cream and olive oil. SUV to cook in, and carbon monoxide poisoning is optional and may not be recommended.
Hi there. We're just cooking food in a car. It's pretty normal. Yeah, drive away. Nothing to see here. It's just ordinary stuff. See it every day. Do it every day. Okay, once a week. Okay, once a month. Okay, probably never again. This is relaxation. I'm a huge fan of small cars and humongous pepper crackers. Now this is a really big pan, a really small burner, and it's a really windy day. At home, if you're gonna do this, it's a lot easier. But it goes to show you that you can brown prosciutto in the back of an SUV. Mushrooms. It's a beautiful winter day. Really smelly SUV. But right now, this SUV is smelling heavenly. Now, what do I like about this RAV4? Well, I like the fact that it was really cheap and that the mileage was low, and that I'm only driving it for the winter. I like it because it's spacious and I fit in it. What I don't like about this RAV4, the automatic transmission. It is horrendous. It's one of the worst transmissions I've ever had the displeasure of experiencing, actually. It, upshifts uphill, it feels like crap, it's clunky when it shifts. Just overall a terrible experience. Liquid gold. Possibly my favorite fluid. Some people like beer a lot. I love beer. I love wine. I like Coca-Cola, but olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, a beautiful olive oil like this, I could just drink. All right. Now that the onions have softened up a bit and the fond is nice and browned, white wine, a little bit on the sides. Ain't that beautiful? Use my little scraper. Look at that. Oh yeah. Some sprigs of thyme, fresh from the engine bay, some chicken stock. Chicken stock is not good to drink, but we're gonna flavor our pasta with it. And wow, a Ford Focus RS. What happened? No! Oh my god, that's amazing.
Here we see a wild Ford Focus RS grill in its natural destroyed habitat. Truly astonishing.
I like the smell of onions.
Are you Shrek?
Yeah. You know, us ogres, we're sort of like onions. Not that we're smelly, but we have layers. Hey, it's starting to boil.
Yeah, that was a lot of pasta. Don't put that much. Just like we were looking forward to eating this warm pasta dish on a 2-degree day, to say we're looking forward to 2021 is a massive understatement. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for the support and for believing in us, and let's break bread and talk cars soon. But for now, take care and be safe. With love, Dashing and Dining.